Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about draft module in AVEVA PDMS. In the previous video, we have discussed about different layers. Okay, in this video, we will discuss about dimensions, more about dimensions. So, what I did is basically I created three different views for the same equipment on which we are working on so that I can show you different types of dimensions. Okay, in AVEVA there are basically four basic types of dimensions. There is a dimension toolbar here. You can check those dimensions by clicking on this show dimensioning form. Okay, this will basically give you all options of dimensions. These are the basic linear dimensions. Okay, so this is the dimension form, and in which you have four basic type. One is the linear dimension, so it gives dimensions in line. Okay, there are various options, aligned dimensions and all. There's angular dimensions which will give the angle dimensions between two lines. Okay, then there is radial dimensions which will provide radius and diameters of different cylindrical parts, and there is a pitch circle diameter dimension style where you can have different dimensions for the PCDs, pitch circle diameters. Okay, so let us start with linear dimension, and let us say I want to insert a dimension in this part. Okay, so what I can do is I can either start with any linear dimension or a vertical dimension. So let us first give dimensions to these legs. Okay, I am looking from the downside. I want to give dimensions to these legs. So I can go to orthogonal dimension where you can have the horizontal dimension. Once you click on any dimension, a dimension linear angular dimension dialog box will open, and it will give label to that dimension, and there is a various selection options. Okay, so better it is always to go with pick points so that you can easily pick those points from the screen. You can also give with the items also, and even 2D and 3D cursor points also you can use. So I basically prefer to go for pick points, so those points I can easily pick, and then I can go for create. Okay, this will only create one dimension. If you want to use it in a loop, you can have the loop on. Okay, so this button basically keeps on that dimension command for the next dimension tool also. So it is always better to keep this on for every dimension, and then make sure you want to continue or not. Okay, when you create, click on create, everything will get deactivated and you will be focused on this dimensions. So just click and drag and just go to center of this. You will get a square and pick that point. Okay, now for dimensions you need 2 points, so I will just go and click on this point and it will start giving the dimensions. Okay, if you have any further dimensions I can continue because I'm in loop. If you want to get out of that loop, just press escape, you will be out from that dimensions. Okay, and then you can give different dimension directions. Okay, dimension line properties. Okay, and angle. We don't want to do that. Let us say apply and dismiss. Okay, let us go for the next dimension, that is vertical dimension. For the same, I will go and pick point, create. I will select this, take the center point, select this and take the center point. You will get that dimension also. Press escape and whole dimension will be there. If you want to edit these dimensions, what you can do is just select this modify mode, click on this dimension. If you click on this number, you can align the numbers wherever you want. Okay, so just click there, align it and leave it. It will be always in between. If you want to edit these dimensions, just click on this model editor, select a dimension. Just a second. Select a dimension, everything will be selected, and then you can drag it wherever you want to place it. Just keep there. You can have that option also. So just keep eye on what is being getting selected. If you are selecting a text, only text will move. If you are selecting a whole dimension, everything is blue and that will move. Okay, So you can have multiple dimensions in one view. So I am right now I am entering in this view, okay, and I'm giving dimensions in this view. Let us say I want to give the multiple dimensions for the height. I will go with this vertical, okay, in a loop, and I will start create, okay, pick point and create. So first dimension I want to enter is the bottommost part, okay, bottommost pick point, this one. Then I want dimension for this point, so it will start giving the dimensions. Then I want dimension for this nozzle point. Then I want dimensions for the another nozzle point, and then the top of the cylinder, let us say, and then top of the nozzle. So it is basically keeps on giving dimensions, press escape and close. So this basically keeps on giving dimensions as you select each and every part, okay. If you want to edit those location, just click on the dimension, whole dimension, and drag it outside. Everything will be dragged outside, okay. Now let us say I by mistake I did this 800. I don't want this 800. You can just select that and delete it. The upper dimension which is connected to below one will get vanished, and total dimension will be given to this. Now let us say I want to edit this position. Just click there and drag it in between. Every dimension you can just click and drag, click and drag, and that dimension will be at the center of your dimension line, okay. Similarly, you can have different horizontal dimensions, different vertical dimensions.